Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing tasty sandwich, for which we need, of course, bread. We'll use two, and we need some cheese, onion, tomato, and ham. For the beginning, all we need to do is empty the bread from the inside of it, so that we will have enough place for placing all of the other ingredients that we have, and then continue with cutting down the onion into small pieces, and we'll cut everything down so to fill the bread with them. Go on and cut down the tomato as well, and the ham into small pieces. Actually, you can here use any other type of meat that you really like more, so just choose the one that you really like. And then let's cover it up with the bread, the bottom of the bread, with some tomato sauce. You can also use ketchup. We are having tomato sauce here. Make sure that the walls are also covered with tomato sauce, and let's have the first line of it with onions. Whenever done, let's continue with the cheese. A grated cheese, you can use cheddar or mozzarella or anything else that you like more. And whenever done with the cheese, let's go on with adding there the ham. And whenever this part is also done, we'll go on with the fourth line and put there some more cheese. Whenever finished, let's put there the tomatoes, one line of it, and put it to be cooked in the oven. We hope you will like it. This is a very interesting and easy and fast recipe, so go on and try it, and good appetite!